Chapter 7. Transition and Animation in MS PowerPoint. Opening idea. Opening a blank presentation. Editing with the help of master slides. Transition. Views in MS PowerPoint. Animation. Adding hyperlinks to the slides. You have already learned to create a new presentation. Now let's revise it. To open a new blank presentation, do the following. Step 1. Open PowerPoint. Step 2. Select New on the left side of the window. Step 3. Select the blank presentation or choose a theme. A new presentation with the blank slide will appear. The first slide has the layout for a title slide. Tip: Ctrl+N also helps to create a blank presentation. Views in PowerPoint. PowerPoint provides different views that enable you to view and edit your slides. Normal view is the default view and displays one slide at a time in the slide area. On the View tab, you can find the different options of slides views. Working with slides in the normal view. You can also easily move slides in the normal view. Normal view is used for editing and creating slides. Tip: This is the tri-pane view that shows small slides on the left, a slide in the center, and the Add Notes at the bottom. To move slides in the normal view, Step 1. Click the Normal View button in the View tab. Step 2. Click a slide on the left pane. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the slide to its new location. A pointer with a box appears as you drag the slide. Thumbnails, current slide, notes area, changing and viewing slides in the outline view. Outline view allows you to make changes to the slides. You can drag and drop slides to add more text, to copy the text from other applications, to rearrange bullet items, and also viewing multiple slides. To view or make changes to the text in the outline view, click the Outline View button in the View tab. The outline view appears. An outline view of your slides appears with the text. Click the small gray slide icon you want to make changes in. Select the slide in the outline and type the changes directly onto the main slide. You can view the text of all slides in this view. Tip: Ctrl+Shift+Tab. Switch between normal and outline views. Slides details. Tip: Return to the normal view by clicking the Normal button on the View tab. Slide sorter view. When you are working on your presentation and want to change the order of your slides, you can rearrange slides in the slide sorter view. Slide sorter view is helpful to select multiple slides and reorganize the slides. You can drag and drop slides to change their order in the presentation. To reorganize slides in the slide sorter view. Step 1. You can go to the slide sorter view from the taskbar of the PowerPoint window by clicking on the Slide Sorter button, or click on the View tab on the ribbon and click the Slide Sorter button. Step 2. Click the slide you want to move. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the slide to its new location. A pointer with a box will appear as you drag the slide. You will see several thumbnails of your slides. To rearrange the order of the slides, drag and drop the slide to a new position. The slide will be inserted to the right of the vertical brown line. We can copy, paste, and delete the slides in the Slide Sorter view. Master Slide. Slide Master View is a special feature in the Microsoft PowerPoint that allows you to quickly modify the slides and slide layouts in the presentation. You can edit the Slide Master which will affect every slide in the presentation. To open the Slide Master view, click on the View tab, select the Slide Master. The master slide is the top slide in the thumbnail pane on the slide navigation pane, and the related slide layouts appear just below the Slide Master. Modify the master slide in MS PowerPoint. To open the Slide Master view, take the following step. Step 1. Click on the View tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click the Slide Master button in the Master Views group. The Slide Master includes placeholders for 3 objects that appear at the bottom of each slide: the date area, footer area, and slide number area. Slide Master, layout, footer, title, date, slide number. Tip: a thumbnail of each Slide Master as well as the layouts for each master are shown on the left side of the screen. For example, you may want to add more graphical elements or select different fonts for your title slides. Select the text you want to apply a new style and make the formatting changes. For example, if you want all the slide titles to be in bold, select the title text and then press Ctrl+B or click the bold button on the formatting toolbar. Tip: make sure the Slide Master itself is selected and not one of its layouts. Any changes you make applies to all the layouts associated with the Slide Master. Now we are going to learn how to animate objects and create transitions to your slides. Animations. You can apply animation effects on the individual slides, the Slide Master, or custom slide layouts. You can animate the text, pictures, shapes, tables, smart art graphics, and other objects in your PowerPoint presentation to give them visual effects. To apply an animation to an object, Step 1. Select the object that you want to animate. Step 2. On the Animations tab, click the More drop-down arrow in the Animation group. A list of animations effects will appear with the thumbnail view. You can look at the animation gallery to see different animations you wish to add. Step 3. Select the desired animation effect from the list. Step 4. The animations are added to the object. Once the animation is added, you will see a box with the number 1 in it. This helps us to know that an animation has been applied. If we add another animation, it will be labeled 2 and so on. The Animations tab has many features that control your animations. These are: Preview allows you to preview your animation. Advanced Animation allows you to create custom animations. Timing allows you to set the timing of the animation. Effect option helps you to customize an animation. The Animation pane. The Animations pane allows you to view and manage all the effects that are on the current slide. You can modify or reorder effects directly from the Animations pane. To open the Animation pane, take the following steps. Select the Animation pane from the Animations tab on the ribbon. The Animation pane will open on the right side of the window. It will show all the effects for the current slide in the sequence in which they will appear. To reorder the effects from the Animation pane. To reorder the effects, go to the Animations pane, click and drag the effect up or down according to your requirement. To preview the effects from the Animation pane, take the following steps. Step 1. Navigate the slide you want to preview. Step 2. From the Animations tab, click the Preview command. The animations for the current slide will play. Remove an animation effect. When you animate an object, such as a bulleted text or a picture, a small numeral appears just to the left of that object. This numeral denotes the presence of an animation effect and its place in the sequence of the animations on the current slide. To remove an animation, step 1, select the numeral of the animation that you want to remove. Step 2, press the delete key on your keyboard. Transitions. The transitions are the special effects that take place when you move to the next slide. You can add special effects to the transitions to make them more exciting. To add transitions, go to the Transitions tab on the ribbon. It looks like the following. There are 3 categories of transitions to choose from. Subtle. These are the most basic type of transitions. They use simple animations to move between the slides. Exciting. This is the more complex animation for transition between the slides. Dynamic content. If you are applying transition between 2 slides that use similar slide layouts, dynamic transitions will move only the placeholders, not the slides themselves. Adding transitions to the slide. Step 1. Select the title slide in the normal view. Step 2. Click on the Transitions tab. Step 3. Click on More to see the different types of transition effects. Step 4. Select an effect. Step 5. Change the effect options according to your choice. Step 6. Select Apply to All to apply the effect to all the slides. On the Transitions tab, you will find controls that will let you preview the transition and set its timing. The timing will specify how fast the transition occurs and what triggers it, such as a mouse click, or if it is done automatically after a specified period of time. You can also use the sound effect to the animation. To add a sound effect to the transition, in the Timings section, click on Sound drop-down menu and select the required sound. You can use the Duration drop-down menu to specify how fast the transition should be. Then, set the transition to happen on mouse click or after a specified period of time. If Apply to All is not selected, the transition would only apply to the slide currently highlighted in the slide sorter. Previewing a transition. You can preview the transition for a selected slide at any time using either of the following 2 methods. Click the Preview command on the Transitions tab. Click the Play Animations command in the Slide Navigation pane, giving an on-screen presentation that displays timer to practice timing. Step 1. In the Setup area of the Slideshow tab at the top of the window, click the Rehearse Timings button. Step 2. The presentation will begin on Slide 1 and the rehearsal window will pop up to time the presentation. Step 3. Continue clicking mouse to advance the presentation through the entire show and return to the normal view. Step 4. Click No at the prompt to keep the slide timings. Hyperlinks. Hyperlinks have 2 basic parts: the address of the slide, web page, email address, or any other location they are linking to, and the display text, which can also be a picture or shape. Insert a hyperlink to another slide. Step 1. Create a PowerPoint presentation with 3 slides. First slide should display the question with 4 options. Second slide should display incorrect, and third slide should display correct. Step 2. Right-click on the selected text or image. Step 3. Select Hyperlink. Step 4. Select Place in this document. Step 5. select the slide to display and click OK. Step 6. Do the same for all the incorrect options. Step 7. Select the correct option. Right-click and select Hyperlink. Step 8. Select the third slide with the correct slide and click OK. Also, hyperlink the word Next Question on the third slide with the next slide which has the next question. Let's have some fun by making a presentation of a quiz on literature. A quiz has different options. If correct option is selected, you go to the next question, and if wrong option is selected, you are directed again to the same question. As you know, hyperlink helps to move to the next slide by clicking on any object, that is, word or sentence. All the slides required in the quiz are given below. Give the presentation. When you are ready to watch your slideshow, click on the Slideshow tab. There you will see two different viewing options, from beginning or from current slide. Tip: you can also press F5 on your keyboard. This starts the slideshow from the first slide itself. On the Slideshow tab, do one of the following. To start the presentation at the first slide, in the Start Slideshow group, click from beginning. If you're not at the first slide and want to start from where you are at present, click from current slide. Saving the presentation. Step 1. On the File tab, choose Save As. Step 2. Pick or browse to a folder. Step 3. In the file name box, type a name for your presentation and then click Save. Tip: if you frequently save files in a certain folder, you can pin the path so that it is always available. Tip: save your work by pressing Ctrl+S.